been a while, but they're back at it. See that massive line there. Or a couple. And there's like some real swervy fuckers that were over here. See how it looks? I bet at like 1 o'clock it's just hazy out. 11, 12, 1. Nothing but fucking chemtrails today. Would be nuclear and hot. They're trying to push this cold front further down, I think. I don't know, whatever they're saying it is, but hopefully it doesn't work. Hopefully it stays warm. Take a screenshot of the weather today to see how it sticks. I was wrong. It didn't even take, I don't know how long it's been, but like fucking half an hour maybe. And it is just fucking haze. You can see fresh line right there. Just right over the sun. You can see how it makes an axe. If we zoom in, they're really just hammering it. That's the chemtrail line right there. There's another one. It's really hazy out. There's your axe. A lot of axes. But you can't see shit now. Can't see shit. Fuckers are just blasting. Went from blue to haze in a matter of an